Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a loyalty card on Instacart. If you don't have an Instacart account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar grocery and food delivery apps for you to sign up. If you already have an account, open the website instacart.com. Then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for your account settings. Click on your account settings. On the left side of this page, you will see several tabs. Click on Loyalty Cards. Here, you will see the list of all loyalty cards. Click on the Add Card button under the merchant of the loyalty card you wish to add. In this video, I'm going to add my loyalty card from BJ's Wholesale, so I enter my loyalty card number. However, in some cases, like for Kroger, it will ask you to log in with your account. So in case the step on your screen is different, just follow the on-screen instruction. That's how you add a loyalty card on Instacart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.